Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite side dishes, blooming onions. It's time to grill. In Germany, this side dish is more or less not very known. We had an hype last year with a lot of bloggers and video griller who made recipes with blooming onions, and since that, this dish is on my bucket list for filming as well. So now today we have the time to show you how to make blooming onions. So this is a big onion, yellow onion. I'm not sure about the vocab for all the different onion names, but you might get the size and the color and which kind you need if you want to remake this. Make sure to leave the onion like this so it won't fall apart. And then we have a small hack. We have apple and pear cutter. So this is the translation, if I would say it word by word, from the German Apfel- und Birnenteiler. This one is from Amazon. I will put a link into the video description. You might check it out. This one really helps a lot for preparing this blooming onion dish because it's pretty sharp and it helps to cut the onion in a really good way so it looks like a flower later. Just make sure to press it down gently and not press it down 100% because we need the bottom part of the onion to let the onion stay together. So that's approximately what we are looking for, and after that just press down the other way and it is pretty easy to remove the cutter afterwards. So this is how it looks like. I will show you one more time. That's it. Pretty easy. Of course you have to check the size of the onion. The onion can't be bigger than the cutter. That's crystal clear. But this will also work with smaller onions. So if you want to do this with red onions or some smaller onions, it works great as well. So I really like the shape of the onion after cutting it. So that's it, out, and here's the second one. And now I will show you the next step. Pretty easy. If you make a research on YouTube, you will find different ways of season the onion now. I only take a basic version just with flour, but a lot of people add barbecue rub to the flour, pepper, cayenne pepper, ground paprika, several things, so it adds a different color and a different taste. But for today I would like to try the version just with flour and buttermilk or milk or something liquid now. That's it. I really like that one. It tastes a little bit like onion rings or like French onions with not much seasoning on there. So just spread over the milk here, the buttermilk. I hope you got it. I don't know if the vocab is the same than in German as translation. Google Translation does not really help at all for all the food vocabulary that is missing sometimes. And then after this step, back into the flour. Some more flour over your onions, and then we are headed for the grill, and then we fry this one. I've already preheated my grill. I like to fry outside and I like to use it on my grill. This is my Dutch oven. There's a funny discussion in Germany about Dutch ovens. I really like that one. That's the cheap one, a barbecue 3 liter, which really helps a lot over the last 5 years. So first liter of sunflower oil, second liter of sunflower oil, and then heat it up. I try to heat this up for an oil temperature of 190 degrees Celsius, and then you just put the onion in there and make sure it fries everywhere, but it will soon open up. Make sure to give it a turn in the meantime. Fry it upside down a little bit, and then remove it the moment it has the color you want. I like it a little bit darker. Golden brown is just fine for most of you, but that's the color I am looking for. Take it out, put it on a dripping towel or somewhere so the fat can just get out of that, and that's the result. Looks good or what? So make sure to give it a try. Hit that like button, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please visit my fan pages, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. We are seeing us again in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.